just now and then. Give that chicken fat back to the chicken and don't be chicken again. No, don't be chicken again. Push up every morning, 10 times push up, starting low. Once more on the rise, nuts to the flabby guys. Go, you chicken fat, go away. Go, you chicken fat, go. Good morning, hands on hips, please. Now then, touch your toes with me, ready. Touchdown, up,
every morning,
down, 10 times,
not just
up,
now and then.
4, up, 5,
Give that chicken fat back to the chicken and don't be chicken again. No, don't be chicken again.
and halt. Hit the dirt, hit. Push-ups next, nice and steady, not too fast, ready. Push up, down,
Every morning,
10 times, push up, starting low, down, that's 5,
more
down,
on the rise, nuts to the flabby guys.
go,
The chicken fat, go away.
down,
Go, you chicken fat, go.
and halt. Now struggle up to your feet, struggle. March in place, march. Left a good pound and a quarter. Was it right? Right that it should be left.
Yes, I left a good pound and a quarter. It was right.
Right, left,
should be
and
left.
halt. 1, 2, next, sit-ups. Everybody's favorite, so on your back, drop. All right, girls, you're in this too. Arms overhead, flop. Come on, girls. Now, sit up, sit down.
Every morning,
Up, 10 times. Sit up, down.
on your
Up,
feet.
down.
5,
Swing that rusty gait.
6,
Don't drop the tempo, mate. Can't win dragging your feet. No, can't win dragging your feet. And halt. Now on your feet, up. Everybody.
AD all day.